This video will show how to create new users and access different users within the TD Snap app. You might want to create a new user to access the different page sets or different language systems within the TD Snap app. First, you'll open up the TD Snap app and you'll select the settings button or the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. Once that is selected, a menu bar will pop up at the bottom of the screen. Select User, and then select the name under User. It currently says Core First on my application. I have already set up different users within this app to show you how to change between different users. I can select from any of these users I've already created and change the user by selecting from the list. Once I've selected the user I want to access, I can select Done in the upper right-hand corner and start using that page set, language system, or user. To change the user, select the gear setting in the upper right-hand corner, select the user button in the menu bar in the lower part of the screen, and then select the name under user. I can switch back to that original user page set language system that I had at the beginning of the video. If you're wanting to create a new user and see what other page sets, language systems are available within the TD Snap app, you'll scroll down to the button that says New User and select New User. You'll then be prompted to select to create a new user. Select Get Started, then name your user. So type in the name, and then select the green arrow in the lower right-hand corner. If you have a Tobii Dynavox account, you can enter that information at this step. If you don't, you can select the skip button in the lower right-hand corner. These offer different pages that offer different page sets based on the individual's needs. We're going to look at different symbol supports. Once you've selected one of these options, you can select the green arrow in the lower right-hand corner. You can select your access method. We are going to select touch at this time. Select the green arrow in the lower right-hand corner. And then you can see the different page sets or language systems available for symbol-based users. We have Core First and Motor Plan available within this app. We'll select the Motor Plan page set, then select the green arrow in the lower right-hand corner. Select the different grids, select between the different grid sizes. So select Motor Plan 66, select the green arrow in the lower right-hand corner. Select a voice for the user. You can always go back and change this, and then select Done in the lower right-hand corner. We'll then create a new user, and you'll be able to access this user page set language system. To go back to the beginning of the video, to access those different users available that you've created, or to create a new user, you'll select the settings button, which is the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. A menu bar will appear in the lower portion of the screen. You'll select User, select the name of the user that is currently being used, and then you can see the list of different users and then have the option to create a new user.